It looks like Mpumelelo Mseleku he want to marry another woman. The way Tirelo she was explaining, she says she doesn't care if Mpumelelo he doesn't marry her. Mpumelelo can marry another woman. The only thing she want Mpumelelo have to take care of her and the child. Tirelo doesn't care about the marriage, even at the first time. Mpumelelo, the reason why he got married to Amahle first and he doesn't marry Tirelo. Tirelo was not serious. That's why Mpumelelo moved forward. And we can judge Mpumelelo that Mpumelelo, he is selfish, what. Mpumelelo explained about it on Izingane Sestembu season 3, that he was asking to marry Tirelo to tell her parents that Mpumelelo want to pay damages, want to pay the bride price to her family. But Tirelo was not serious. That's why Mpumelelo got married to Amahle. But now you heard that she doesn't care if Mpumelelo doesn't marry her. Only she cares is that Mpumelelo can take care of her. Tirelo doesn't care about the marriage. Only she cares is about money, to be the part of Izingane Sestembu, to have got brands to advertise, because she is advertising many companies and those companies are giving her money because she is the part of Mseleku's family. That's only Tirelo she wants. If she done, Tirelo is going to be out of Mpumelelo's life, because Tirelo, she is still Pumelelo's girlfriend. What I saw when Tirelo is done, guys, you will see it. That girl, she is no more in love with Mpumelelo. But the reason why she is still to be there, because why she want to be the part of Izingane Sestembu if she doesn't want to get married to Mpumelelo again? I don't understand Tirelo the way she is doing, because now Mpumelelo can move forward. You know Mpumelelo very well that he doesn't care, guys, Mpumelelo, or to being begging every time to beg one woman. Mpumelelo, he can move forward and marry another woman again. It can happen to Mpumelelo, and she is starting crying and she is starting complaining. People on social media were starting defending Mpumelelo. He is selfish. It's about the reason Tirelo, she is not serious. The way Mayeni, she did, Mayeni and Macele, that's why you see Macele, she was the first wife before Mayeni. The way Tirelo now she is doing, Tirelo, if she can't allow to get married to Mpumelelo as the second wife, she is going to be the fourth or the fifth wife. I don't understand the way she is doing it, because Mpumelelo proposed to her last year on Izingane Sestembu season 3. Until now, Tirelo, she is still, or maybe she is removing the engagement ring, or we don't understand what's going on, because she looks like she is done. She doesn't want to get married. But Mpumelelo, if he truly loves Tirelo, doesn't ignore Tirelo. Mpumelelo, you have to go and pay the bride price to marry Tirelo the way he did to Amahle. Because women, we can say with our mouth we don't want to get married, but deep down in our hearts we want to get married. Everyone, our wishes is to get married. What I saw, I don't think that Tirelo, she is saying, maybe because only Tirelo now she cares it's about money. What I saw, Tirelo, guys, she is after money. She knows that if she can't get married to Mpumelelo, she can leave that marriage very easy. We don't know that Mpumelelo, he is already paying damages for his son Sengabako, or maybe he doesn't pay anything. I don't know what's going on between that issue about the child. But Mpumelelo, you have to pay damages about his son. Tirelo says we are 8. They are 8. Guys, they are 8 with who? Maybe Mpumelelo, you already have a girlfriend who is already pregnant, because in Mpumelelo, you've got 2 kids with Fuyokazi, 1 child with Tirelo, 1 child with Amahle, and there are maybe 3 of them, maybe, or with that girlfriend, 8. What I saw, because Mpumelelo, Tirelo says they are 8 now. It means there is someone who is being added on their family. What I saw.